Primarily today, we're concerned with our unconscious programming, our thoughts, our feelings, and how that can throw us off of our center very quickly. And so, what do we do when we are kind of thrown off from truth? The truth is that we are good enough exactly as we are. We're actually miraculous exactly as we are. We don't have to do anything special to deserve love, because we are love. And that love is always there inside of us. And getting knocked off of your center is when a lot of static is introduced into your being, and you kind of lose that connection to love that's always present in you. So, what are we going to do today? We're going to address our thoughts. We're going to address our feelings, how those show up, how they're really an extension of mechanisms that are designed to keep us alive. And so when we don't feel safe, we revert to our defense mechanism, which, yeah, does protect us in a way, but it also cuts us off from our truth, of what is really true about us in terms of our worthiness, and cuts us off from other people because we have to protect ourselves from other people.